Yo. Yeah.
Mustard ketchup?
Yeah, mustard. We get an orange drink because that's old school. They got the little fountain there. Can I pay after I eat them?
Well, here's the problem.
No, I'm messing with you. I'm messing with you. What's going on, family? It's your man Matt DV. We are back in Jersey City because of Food Tay 703 said I had to come here and check out Boulevard Drinks, which actually sell hot dogs. So we're gonna go check it out, man. I heard that the hot dogs is the bomb here, and it's right close to Jolly Bees, man. Y'all know I did Jolly Bees right across the way there. But now we're going to Boulevard Drinks. That's right next to this real old looking building. Looked like it was a theater, man. Let's go across the street here and check out Boulevard Drinks. Here it is right here, y'all. This is the spot that we're going to right there. You can't really see the whole sign because the scaffolding is kind of blocking it, but this is it. All right, I have my camera on the wrong setting. I'll let y'all see the full Boulevard Drinks there. And we're right across, like I said, from Journal Square. Big buildings going up. I'm gonna get 2 dogs. What do you suggest?
We have homemade chili. The most people like homemade chili.
Okay, let's do that.
One with chili. Mustard and ketchup on it?
Yes, no ketchup. Just mustard, yeah.
Mustard chili on it.
And I'll take one with, hold up, should I put the cheese on there too? A little cheese, and then the next one, he said, yeah. He said, my man right here said, yeah, do it. I'm gonna see that, yo. And then the next one with the onions, maybe?
Yes.
Oh, I'm so tempted to get 3 now.
One, right?
Yeah.
Mustard ketchup?
Yeah, mustard. I'm old school, man. And I'll take ooh, you got drinks too? I'm gonna get an orange drink.
What size, sir? Medium, large?
Give me a medium orange drink. The reason I'm getting an orange drink, y'all,
Okay.
I'm gonna get an orange drink because that's old school. They got the little fountain there. Do not tell my doctor, okay? Y'all gotta promise not to tell the doctor.
I worry.
You worry, man.
I worry about everybody.
No, don't worry.
Okay. Do it.
Happy New Year. You too, sir. Happy New Year.
You too.
Oh, we got the orange drink there, y'all. You want me to pay now?
Yeah, it's please pay when served.
Can I pay after I eat them?
Well, here's the problem.
No, I'm messing with you. I'm messing with you. All right, y'all. This came to $9.75 total right here. And let's dig in, man. Let's dig in. Here we go, y'all. We at Boulevard Drinks in Jersey City. We about to dig into these 2 dogs that y'all saw me order. I like the way the hot dogs look, man. These what I call them the Franks, man, because they have it's gonna have a nice bite, man, because it look like the type of Franks that they string together at the manufacturer. They be hanging there on hooks and strings. When you hear that little jazz music in your ear after you eat, you know it's good. The hot dog has good flavor. I got the chili and cheese. It's delicious. Dropping on my hand. I just cleaned my hands, so I know that's sad. Don't y'all be laughing at me. You know, that was the one with just the chili and cheese. And the mustard. This one's the chili and onions.
Sweet onion sauce?
And the mustard.
One more, yeah, with sweet onions.
They're called sweet onions. Delicious.
Chili, one sweet onion.
You heard them?
Yeah, one kind. Pepsi?
The sweet onions is better than the chili. The chili's delicious. The sweet onions is delicious to the second power. Don't tell my doctor, y'all. Don't tell him. Oh, this is good.
Okay. You get $1 off each drink, guys. Okay, it's a special.
Yeah, thanks.
When you buy 3 hot dogs. So, Salah.
We had the special today.
I got 5 regular, 1 plain.
I'm gonna go back to the chili and then back to the sweet onions.
5 times 2.
I taste that hint of pepper too, like spicy pepper. I'm gonna have to run 6 miles today.
Give him some napkins over there.
I'm going back to the sweet onions.
How you doing, sir? Happy New Year.
So happy New Year.
Thank you.
Help you?
Good.
Yeah, Boulevard Drinks.
Those sweet onions. Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
Well-
They're all homemade. Everything's homemade.
Yeah, you
Chili
hear that?
and sweet onions.
Yeah. What is the special? Like, is it certain days you have a special?
No, combo special. See,
Oh,
right
the
here?
combo special.
2
Okay.
hot dogs at any drinks, you save 50 cents.
Okay.
3 hot dogs at any drink, you save $1.
Okay.
So like these people bought 3 hot dogs.
Yeah.
So they paid for their hot dog.
Right.
And the drink, instead of being $2.75, was only $1.75.
Okay.
So this way you can order whatever you want, whichever way you want. You always get the either the 50 cents or the $1
Oh,
off.
okay. Thank you. Good
Yeah,
stuff.
yeah. You know, it's a good way of doing it where you don't force people to buy what you want them.
Right. Right.
You know,
Right.
and you give them an incentive.
2 hot dogs with mustard.
This is it, man. It's delicious. I got 2 dogs. I'm finishing them up. This your man, Matt DV. If nobody told you they love you today, you hanging with the wrong people, but you're with the right cat now. Love you, cats. Signing off from Jersey City. Peace. All right, y'all, see a little alley here. We on the adventure now. I don't know what this is, but I had to come back here. Look like I see some artwork. I'm alongside that movie theater right now. Oh, look. There it is. America's favorite restaurant. So I'm on another street now. I'm in the back on the street. This is the back of the movie theater right here, y'all. This is the back of it. There's the fire escape. That's those old school fire escapes right there, man. Right? I'd be scared to walk down there now, which I probably would if I can get in a movie theater, but I ain't messing around. All right, back out here to the street. See this little alleyway, man? This is what you call inner city adventure. Ooh. Ooh. All right, y'all. Look, y'all. Jolly Bees. Jolly Bees right across the street. What's happening, bro? Jolly Bees across the street. Word is born. Let's see what's going on. Look at the old movie theater, y'all. Look at the marquee, the under part of the marquee right here. There's some old school marquee stuff here. Look. Check out the booth. Look. Huh? No. I'm just getting video. How old is it?
When I was a kid, I used to go to the movie theater.
Oh yeah? Was it the low? You called it the Lowies?
This is, yeah.
We pronounce it Lowies when we were younger.
My sister used to pronounce it Lois.
The lowest? The lowest. Look, y'all, let's go in. Look at that. That's old school right there.
CH Martin's amusement park.
Look, man, right next to the movie theater, of course. I remember we were little, we would go to the movie theater, then we would get on these little things here. Wow.
They were big, but we were small.
Yeah. They were big. CH Martin, y'all. All right, y'all, I'm out of here, y'all. Look, I got a piece of onion on the screen. All right, y'all, this your man, Matt DV. We about to break camp back to Newark, New Jersey. This was a good experience, man, coming over here for them hot dogs. I drove today. I didn't catch the train. And I mean, I'm over here in like 15 minutes real quick, so I don't have to sit and wait for a train. Anyway, we're about to sign off, man. Big shout out again for our subscribers. Make sure you like and subscribe. Big shout out to the subscriber who suggests this. I just forget to name that quick. Anyway, it's your man, Matt DV. Peace.